everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add music to your Canva video. So first open Canva and select your video. Now once you are in your video, go to the left side. Here you will see the audio tab. Once you click on this will open you a library of free and premium music tracks to choose from. If you want to upload or use your own song, then you have to click on uploads and then upload files and add it from your device. Since I'm using Canva music, so I am choosing this lofi hip hop song. So we just have to drag it and drop into the timeline. Something like this. You will see the audio track appear below your clip. You can trim it, move it, and even adjust it according to the volume you want. If you want background music, then you can just decrease the volume. Once you are done, click on the share button at the top right side and download, and your own video will be ready with music included. And that's it. That's how easy it is to add a music in a Canva video. So that's it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.